Must use the pinky for the re. Re, 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 re.
Use pinky? Ah, June.
Yeah.
No, you play very well. No, do you realize that now it is more legato? Usually you play like staccato. Once you can make it.
No, actually I practiced already. You want to do 3 at home. Last night and today, this morning.
So you put index, middle, ring, pinky. Then you just practice like this from the 7th here. Yeah, so you just practice like this until because this 4 need to be in this formation. Then you play. So basically this one we need to remember. I have to read intro, right? And then verse 1, verse 2, and then chorus, and then verse 1, verse 2, chorus. And then coda. This one is where the slowing down. Oh, chorus always 2 times here.
Coda means one time only the coda is played.
Yeah, so coda is taken the chorus, right? But the thing here is like the bass, which is Charmaine and me, we just play. Yeah, so this one 2, this one 3. Yeah, like that. Yeah, so you have to be aware. Not just play for the sake of accomplish the note, but must have the rhythm also. 1, 2, 3, 4.